Here's another video to go along with my the video I made previously regarding the Milwaukee stapler. I really like to have my tools organized in a way that I don't have to dig through bags to try and find various bits and pieces. This keeps everything protected when it's in transit, even when it's in storage. I know where everything's at. I don't have to dig through bags or boxes looking for the various bits and pieces. Everything fits in nice and snug, and it's protected from damage when it's in transit to and from a job site. Everything fits in nice and snug, and it was fairly simple to make. I used the same white foam that I used for the stapler. Extra battery. And as an installer's kit, this is my go-to for almost everything. I really I like using this more than I like using the impact driver and the hammer drill. I save those for bigger jobs. This works just fine for little around the house type jobs. Things that don't require a lot of torque. And I think I'll do another video to follow on to this to demonstrate one of the ways I use it in my hobby, making retirement plaques. Really appreciate you stopping by the channel and watching this video. Thanks.